Thank you for watching this video on the top 4 alternatives to Blancco for secure data erasure. Our analysis highlights solutions that offer reliable, efficient, and business-ready performance. As companies face increasing demands for data security, choosing the right erasure tool is critical. Today, we evaluate 4 proven alternatives to Blancco, each offering unique features tailored to meet the rigorous demands of modern business environments. At the top of our list of alternatives to Blancco is WiperApp. This solution is designed with a straightforward user interface and robust data wiping capabilities. WiperApp supports customizable erasure protocols that ensure complete data removal while delivering high-speed performance and multi-platform support. It is the optimal choice for businesses that require secure, efficient data erasure. Next, we rate Black Belt second. It is a strong alternative to Blancco that specializes in operating system-level data erasure. Black Belt streamlines the data wiping process, making it an effective solution for businesses looking to securely erase entire systems. Its focused design ensures thorough data removal, whether in enterprise or individual settings. Third on our list of alternatives to Blancco is EPS. EPS is known for its military-grade data erasure standards and extensive hardware compatibility. Its robust features make it an ideal solution for businesses managing large-scale data erasure needs without compromising security. Rounding out our top alternatives to Blancco is Stellar Data Wipe. This solution focuses on comprehensive data sanitization, ensuring all sensitive information is securely removed. Known for its ease of use and detailed reporting, Stellar Data Wipe provides transparency and control, making it an excellent choice for businesses prioritizing secure data management. In summary, our review of alternatives to Blancco identifies 4 dependable solutions: WiperApp, Black Belt, Extreme Protocol Solutions, and Stellar Data Wipe. Each tool offers distinct advantages for secure data erasure, allowing you to select the option that best aligns with your business requirements. Thank you for watching. For further information on data erasure, please visit WiperApp.com.